Alright, my little party humans. Today we are going to do some 5-pointed stars. And this is not origami, this is kirigami, which, as we know, origami is the Japanese art of folded paper. Kirigami is the Japanese art of cut paper. So, as you can see, we'll be doing a little bit of folding and a little bit of cutting. These two stars are both 5-pointed. One has wider points than the other, and both of them are correct. So however you make your cuts will determine how pointy your stars are, but they will be correct as long as you follow the instructions. So I'm going to move these guys aside, and I'm going to get out some paper. Oh, look at that. It's paper. How droll. So, this is just an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper, and nothing way too fancy about it. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to fold it hamburger style, guys. Remember to line them up. Use your tabletop, guys. Line it up. Bring your thumbs down. Fold outward, just like when we folded our books the first time. Yep. That's a bone folder. So what we've done now is we've made 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. And feel free to pause this anytime you guys need to slow down and look at the whole thing. So we've made these 4 corners. We're going to take this corner here, and again, it actually doesn't matter what side is open. We're just going to take this corner right here, and we're going to put it over to the middle. That's near the middle. I mean, it may not be totally correct, but it's close. Bring it over to the middle here. We're going to fold this down like that. Now, go ahead, get that right there, take a second, line it all up and fold it. Maybe pause it. When you're ready, we're going to fold this corner right here. See this little triangle you've made here? We're going to fold that whole thing over and line it up right like that. Okay? So far, we've only made 3 folds, right? Not too bad. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to take this corner here and fold that over and bring it to here. So, you now have a triangle and another triangle. 1, 2. If you look at it on the other side, you have still this same shape, but more complicated things going on up here. It's not really going to matter. We're going to cut that away. So I'm going to bring this back down here, and I'm going to line it up like this. Now I'm going to take a pencil, and I'm going to put a dot over here. See, remember where this is? This little fold right here? It's got to be below that, but it doesn't have to be much below it. I put it right at it, and then I got to come lower over here. So if I go halfway down this line, right to here, and again I'm estimating, I'm not using a ruler. Again, I'm going more or less halfway in between there, and I've got a line going right from here to here. I can draw that line in if I want, and I can take a ruler and do it, or I can just go for it with my scissors, which is fine to do. So I'm going to line those points up there, just cut. Okay, this bit right here, we no longer need. This is right here is where the money's at. So we open this up, and you see what's happening, right? Oh, look, we made a beautiful star. Now we're gonna have to turn some of these folds inside out. Not a pocket fold, we're just flipping the spine on them, okay? So to do that, we can kind of line these up like that, like I kind of folded it in half, you see? Then I'm going to take these, and they're going to have to zigzag in and out. So this one's going to be high, this one's going to be low. The next one's going to be high. I can line them up like that. I can't put all of them over onto this side though, so I have to let some go so that I can fold these up and fold these down. Okay. So as long as I'm making it so, all my spines, all the spines of the points are up and all the spines in between the points are down, I have made a lovely pentacle. Pentacle is a 5-point star. That's pretty much it, guys. If you need to rewatch the video, you can. I'm going to have some written instructions also that I hope that your substitute has handed out. And then, when you're done folding these, you can decorate them. I brought in a bunch of Sharpies. I'll set out all my pens and all that good stuff. But by the end of class, make sure your names are on these and they're in your team's cubbies, because I will be grading these as a quiz grade.